Hi guys, here I am at Walmart and I thought I could show you the men's accessories over here. So these are their dress shirts, guys. They're $15.96 and the George brand I know is a good quality. Okay, now they have them wrapped, they don't have them loose. So here it is in the black, there's the gray. There's the blue, and these are your regular white collar ones. That's really nice. And this one over here too, I'm liking this. So like I said, the George brand is pretty neat. Then if you come over here, you're gonna see their belts. And let me see, I see a label on their belts? They're all $10. This kind here, which is a stretch belt. I like these. These are really nice. Then they have this braided kind, leather braided kind. That's pretty neat. They have these. So these over here are $12 and they're work belts. Okay. So now if we look at their wallets, Father's Day is not that far off. So we have their wallets and they range from $7, $12. And then the George ones are really nice too. And here's an ID clip-on. That's really nice. And they're in the package, so I can't open them up for you guys, but this is what they look like. So these are $12, and then some of them are $7, the bifold ones, and then they have the no boundary ones for $10. And I like this style, that's nice, and that one over there is really nice. So this one is like the Italian leather trifold, $14. Then they have this kind, guys. I can't get to it. That's protected by metal detector. And this is a nice wallet, guys. Look at that. I'm liking that. That's $14. Then they have these. I don't know what this is. What is that? Sports wallet. That's $12. And they have this kind of a wallet. And this kind. It's too bad they're like, well, this one is really nice. Super capacity, extra spacious. Look at all of that. This makes a nice gift. Okay, and then they have this one, genuine American bison leather. So, and then they have the waist wallets on the bottom. Those waist wallets are $8. Then I think they have some suspenders over here, guys. So those suspenders are $9. And here's some ties. The George ties, like this is black and this one is navy blue. Those are $10. This one here, and then you have this style here. Isn't that pretty? I like that. But you have this style here, then you have that one. Here's some more suspenders. And I think we have some more stuff over here. Okay, so these are the lounge pants, guys, and they're novelty. Let's take a quick look here. You have the Coca-Cola ones there and these rainbow ones. This is Bud Light. And those are Golden Girls. You know, them girls are popping up all over the place, guys. Even in the men's section. That's crazy. Deadpool. And then you have even unicorns. I think that's cool when a guy can wear unicorns. And then this one over here says hello friends. So they have that kind over there, the men's joggers. I think those are birds on there. Let's see. I'm just really liking how they're making stuff now. Okay, so here's Mickey Mouse. I think that is really nice. And then here's the Budweiser shorts. So that's really nice. And they even have the novelty socks, guys. That is so cool. Okay, then they have my bucket list socks. And I think this is supposed to be golf clubs. Yep, golf clubs, and then tennis racket. That's really neat. Look at this, football. What's that one? Okay, the one in the front and the one in the back. It's a 3-pack. So the one in the front and the one in the back have something on it. This one is football, and I don't know what that is right there. And more football. Then you have that one over there. You have this guy right here. You have the cactus one there. Then you have the dogs. These are so cute. Oh my God, there's birds. What is this one? I don't know, I can't tell. Then you have the avocado ones. Those are so nice. There's the shark ones. These are really nice, guys, and those are $6.96. That's a good buy. Okay, so here we have the socks. Let's see what else we can find, guys. Scrolling through the guys stuff because sometimes we just do the women, and I don't want to forget the guys. So here they have, look at this. These are novelty baseball caps. Okay, and I don't know what that one is, guys. So, and the prices are $9.96 for that one, and these are $7.44. They don't have too many of them. I'm just showing you what they have. And that's the Pabst beer ribbon. That's beer. They have these baseball caps at Expedition. There's one Friends. I like that one. So then they have some more of these novelty ones. And look at this one. This one is like tie-dye. Then you have your military U.S. Army. You have the Russell ones. Those are $9.98. You have some more over there. Some Budweiser ones. What is this? These are pretty cool. See, these are the tie-dye ones. I'm liking those. Great price, guys. Guys, I thought I showed you the men's section and accessories of the Walmart, and I'll see you guys in another video.